Alright, I'm coming at you today working on my 75 Buick Century, the showstopper, and trying to get all the clips out of here so I can get the headliner and stuff in here. Alright, so just prying out loose there. So all I'm doing is prying on the back of this clip and getting all the material from around it. And when I pry it all the way, that clip will come right out of there. So that's how you remove those clips up out of there. Alright, then I'm going to come in and clean that whole edge up there. And I'll probably pour 15 this on the inside. So we'll get all of that done here. So I'm missing the weather strip. It holds the weather strip in place here, and then it's a piece of chrome. I'm missing that. I ordered a couple of pieces off of eBay. I'm hoping that they are the right ones that I need, but I'll see when that comes in. I'm ready to get these T-tops in here. T-top seals in, so just trying to clean up everything. The car was rotted out right in here, so I welded metal in here, and if the light would cut on, there we go. So I cleaned that up in there, and what I want to do is put a seam sealer on the inside of there. I already poured 15 that, but I cleaned it up. I'm going to spray some rust remover stuff that I have, and it's going to remove the rest of the surface rust on there, and I've already grinded that down to bare metal. And then I'm going to seam seal around in there to make sure that moistness ain't getting to it from the back side, because I had the car sitting outside because I couldn't find the T-top seals, and as you see, I'm getting rust in this area here. So I will be sealing this off from the back side. Well, I don't have to worry about that coming back through and rusting again. I cut the patches out, put new patches in here. I had to mud it because the shape wasn't exactly there, but it's going to be fine. It's going to be fine. Alright, I guess if I could ever say I'm geeked, I guess now would be the time I'm geeked. Thanks to some the guys on Facebook. I got my T-top seals. They're gonna work. And I think I gotta remove that piece, or it might stick down in there far enough to go over that, but I don't know. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna see how that go. That might be a little off, but really, for the Cutlass Supreme, these T-top seals are gonna work for this car. So that's what's been holding me up on this build. Now that I got the T-top seals, they came in today. T-top seals came in today. So now what I got to do, I sanded on this with maybe 1500 and 2000, and I'm gonna see if these are buff out. I bought a buffer and all the polishing equipment from it's right up there, a lot of the pads. Buffers over there in the corner, got it covered up, but I got to come through and see if these are buff out before I put these T-tops in here. If they don't buff out, then I got to see if I can get them chrome. Certain material they can't chrome. I'm gonna have to figure that out. Then if I can't get them chrome, well, then I'm gonna paint them blue. The car is gonna be red, white, and blue. So if they don't buff out, and if I can't get them chromed locally around here, then I'm gonna paint them. It's just the way I'm gonna have to do this. But which a lot of the stuff on the car, like the piece that goes in here, this will be painted blue. Same color blue here. It'll be painted blue. Certain things like the pieces that go on the door here, they'll be blue. I'm just going different with this car. A lot of this stuff is costly, you know, but this is the way I want to do this car, you know. So I still want to get the original Rochester or Quadrajet. I have to figure out which one. I got it in the box. I want to get it rebuilt, and I'm just using this carburetor right now to run the car, but I want to get it rebuilt because I'm actually going to put the GS. I got an extra hood, and the guy Rich, rest in peace, he owned a shop out in Sturtevant, Wisconsin out there. He passed this last Jerry called me about 6 months ago, but about 3 years ago he had a 72 Skylark, and the front end was caved in, and it had the GS hood on it. So I had an extra Skylark hood, and I sold them because the guy, you know, he told the guy he couldn't find the GS hood for it, so the guy just wanted the Skylark put back together. So I bought the hood. My buddy Bob, I had already bought the breather and everything from him because I had a Skylark I was doing at one time. But I want to fabricate that GS hood on my spare hood, and I want to set that GS, you know, hood scoop and air cleaner and everything up on this car. So that's the way I want to go with this. So all the interior work is pretty much done. I got to do some work to the bottom of the door panels, but man, this car is so close. These T-top seals is what's been holding me up, really, and they're here. So man, this thing might be out and rolling next summer. You know, I mean, it's the body work, everything's done. It's ready to be painted. I got an extra set of rims that I want to have either dipped or sandblasted and painted white. Probably have them powder coated white. And then I need the rings that came on the car here. I don't know if I'll be able to find them or not, but so I'm pretty close on this car. This car she's ready to be painted, man. She's just saying, come on, finish me up. Those T-top seals been holding me up, but they're here now. So, you know, I mean, she's ready, you know, she's ready. So I just got to finish her up, you know. This is my baby, though. This is, man. This is it. Get all my chrome buffed out. I just put them on, make sure they lining up on the bottom, but they will come back off and get polished out. All the chrome around the wheel wells. She's pretty close. I got an old picture here, but that's how she will look when she's done. I got decals. I brought them years, you know, a few years back. Now, you know, maybe somebody can put a vinyl wrap on there instead of those. I don't know. I'm gonna just see. I'm gonna just wait and see. But man, I can't wait to get this one done, man. But yeah. So my friend Bob, he sold me the rear end and everything out of he sold me the rear end out of a 74 GS. So it's a posi. It had all the, you know, trail arms or whatever on the traction bar, on the back. I got it all painted up, got the gas tank painted red, white, and blue. I got a little bit more painting to do back here with the port 15 up under the bottom, but it's, I don't know why my camera flashing. The light keep flashing on and off, but yeah, she's about ready. So once I get all these boxes empty, that means she'll be put back together. So it's close.